Hi there, I'm Kerry from the Nutritional Healing Center of Ann Arbor, and today I'd like to share with you a piece of exercise equipment, a foam roller that I love to use frequently, very versatile, economical, lots of different things you can do with it. I know that recently Dr. Schmidt talked in a couple of his videos and said that exercise is not in the 7-step blueprint to optimal health, but for me, exercise has been important for years. I was a dance teacher, I was a Pilates teacher, and for me, movement and exercise made me feel good, helped my mood, helped with energy, helped with physical fitness. And as I worked in the office more, I got away from exercise as I got busy. And when I did 75 hard several years ago, it forced me to get back to it. And so now I've made it a part of my routine to optimize my health and keep me feeling strong. I want to be able to stay flexible. I want to be able to play on the floor with my grandson. I want to be able to catch him and carry him when I can. So some of the ways I do that are with exercise. Nutrition is always going to be the thing that's going to help your body be healthy, help your organs. But with exercise, you can be a little more physically fit and benefit your health too. So let's jump in and I'll show you a few things you can do on the foam roller. So even just from a balance standpoint, you can place yourself on the foam roller and just test and play with your balance. So testing and seeing if you can balance on an unstable surface, moving your legs, moving your arms a little bit, trying to test your balance. These are great things for your health here. So you can move your arms. So doing things to kind of stretch through your chest. A lot of the positions that we're in through the day, sitting at desks, it feels nice to just kind of stretch and open up through the chest. There's lots of videos online that you can just follow along to do some of these exercises. So I'm gonna roll off. If you spend a little bit of time on here, when you do roll off the foam roller, just even laying on the floor feels a bit different, gives you a little more space in your spine. So even just that movement of laying on the roller and then off can be a lovely motion. So stretching through your upper back is another really nice movement. So massaging a little bit and moving through your upper back, stretching here. So some other exercises that can be done, you can move the roller, place it under your hips, and this will give you a little bit of, again, challenge, but the ability to work your abs a little bit. So you can do some things here to challenge your abdominals, and the roller actually gives you a little bit of support there. So you can go side to side to challenge your obliques a little bit. So many different exercises that can be done on that roller. Gently kind of maneuvering off. Some great, I have to move back in, some great stretches that can be done or massaging type motions. One is for the IT band. So you can place yourself on the roller and kind of roll down towards your knee. This is great for runners. This is great, again, for people who are seated at desks a lot. So rolling up and down that muscle. I'm shocked I'm not making more uncomfortable sounds because that can be a bit of a harder exercise. And finally, usually I would do this kind of standing, touching a wall or touching a stable surface, but just for the purposes of showing you, I'm gonna kind of stand sideways here. You can stand on the roller, put your feet on the roller. I do have grippy socks so that I won't slide off, but just rolling your feet a little bit forward and backward can be a great stretch for the calves, great for the front of the legs as well. So just a few things that you could do on the foam roller. I know I always am talking about food and nutrition, but my background in exercise, I just want to share some of the other things that have helped me in the past, so I hope I can help you in the future too. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.